souls and its billions of others that they found each other as husband and wife. You have to stay here. Ladies and gentlemen, alam ko ipakutana sa inyo ha, do you love our couple? Murag ang nadunggan ako din na sa, do you love our couple? Wow, parang galit kayo ha. Since you love our couple, I want you to open your wallet this time. Abrihan ninyo ang inyong mga pitaka or your pocket, kaya gilugma man ninyo ang couple. You have to prepare any amount will do as long as you have 1,500. You got my point? Mas pila basta natin 1,500.
Wala pa kayo ilog, paabot ito.
So minimum will be 1,500. So this is actually our lovely couple is wearing your own sash. You are going to be there. Actually, hindi siya mismo money. We have this, sir, pwede ba mahirap ako nito, sir? We have this kind of, actually it's a plastic one, that's transparent. Ilalagay nyo ang pera dito, okay? So for this, actually it serves as a first income, thank you, sir. First income and first savings together as husband and wife, and I wanted to help them. You have to be sa sash po. Bawal pong mag-pin sa gown and suit ng ating lovely couple. Dito po sa sash na suot nila. Okay? So let me remind everyone, whatever the total of this prosperity, 10%.